Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integrations. So now I will show you how to answer. About dy, we don't have the formula to do this integration. Now we need to change dy dx into dxdy because we change about this one. That means we need to change the new bounds in here. Now let's consider about the bounds. About dy, we can see that is about this one. So y is greater than or equals to the cube root of s and smaller than or equals to number 2. About the s, we see that s is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 8. Now we need to graph about this one. So the graph of this one, that should be like this. The next one, we have number 2. Number 2, that should be about this one in here. So we start at number 0 and we stop at number 2. We stop at number 8. So this intersection in here is about number 8. Because if we put number 8 go in here, we will have about number 2 in here. So we see that y is greater than the curve and smaller than number 2, and we have from 0 to number 8. So that means that should be about this area in here. So this one, that is about y. This one from 0 to number 8, that is about s. Because we change by dx and dy, so we need to find the new bounds of dx. We see that s in here. So this one, that's about number 0. This one, that's about the curve in here. So if we put the power 3 for the both sides, and you got about s equals to y to the power of 3. And we see that in the small green area in here, s is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than or equals to y to the power of 3. So we will have about the new integration in here. For the s, that should be from 0 to y to the power of 3. About dy, we see that they start at number 0 and they stop at number 2. And now we need to calculate about this one. The integration of the s, you got about s over 1 plus y to the power of 4. And we put the bounds from 0 to y to the power of 3 in here. So we put y to the power of 3 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we have y to the power of 3 over 1 plus y to the power of 4. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus y to the power of 4. So we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have 4. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we divide both sides by number 4. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when y equals to number 0, that's it from here. So I will put number 0 cone here to find the value of u. So u equal to number 1. When y equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 cone here to find the value of u. 1 plus 2 to the power of 4. We have 17. Number 0 we change by number 1. Number 2 we change by 17. So this one we change by u. Y to the power of 3 dy we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have the final answer. So this one I will put in here. This one I will put in here. Ln number 1 you got 0. So we just have this one only. This is the end. Thank you for watching.